My first grow was actually in Mexico. I built a pocket closet inside of my bathroom that I slid a door over. It was actually a little cow cabinet that was a secret room. I had like it divided into two. Had a couple of veg plants and a couple of flower plants. And really at the time, like buying weed in Mexico from the cartels were the only people that had like really, really good cannabis. It was kind of dangerous. So we were looking for a way to alleviate that. So I started growing in my closet, right? Started growing down there. And then that like led me into pretty much 2013 when the legalization of cannabis started happening in the United States, in Colorado. And so me and my family, we moved back to Colorado. My first facility was in Denver, 10,000 square foot grow. We had about 100 lights. We had 4 25 light rooms. At the time, we were just the caregivers for medical patients. And I think at the time we were cultivating 1,000, 2,000 plants or so. While I was in the process of doing that, somebody came out and said, hey, join us in Oregon. We want you to be a part of this really big project. It's amazing. We're going to do a big build out, 100 acres of cannabis cultivation out there. Offered me a really good salary, and so I went out to Oregon. It was the step from me from being a cultivator to being a real farmer. You know, things at scale, the cost of everything is much, much different. Throughout the time, I've always been really interested in genetics and the way that different genetics perform in the garden. Oregon was really an opportunity for me to get my hands into the dirt on a big, big scale. After Oregon, I shot up to Washington State, and I worked for a grow out there called Organics. It was an organic focus on cannabis cultivation. There we won the Dope Cup in 2017, and then they went on to win it again in 2018. We won Best Indica, Best Sativa. Moved my family back to Colorado. We won the Connoisseur Cup in 2021. Right now, I'm in Oklahoma. I've opened up my own facility. It's my first time to pull my own license. And right now, our focus is cultivating cannabis for hash production. I found Tate. Tate's been a long-time friend of mine. Key to Life brings a bunch of solutions to the cultivation world, from lighting, fertigation, nutrient deficiencies. It's an amazing team. So I called Tate and I said, hey, I want to add Key to Life to my tool belt right now. I want to be more involved with the company. I want to get involved with the company. So we're working hard right now to bring experience, science, and problem solving to the cannabis industry in Oklahoma right now.